Guys, in case you haven't noticed, we've been on kind of a F150 kick. Not the new stuff, the old stuff, the Lightnings, the Harleys, mostly because we're into that retro stuff. And the more we mess with them, like the Lightning and the Harley Davidson truck, the more we're figuring out about them. And we figured out one major thing about these trucks that we're going to solve. And if you own one of these trucks, you need to do this. This will be good info. All right, so one of the biggest things we figured out is these trucks don't like ride height changes, like at all. And you're gonna get a ton of negative camber if you lower the truck, which means you're gonna destroy your tires and it ain't gonna drive all that good. But we've got the fix that we're about to install right now from the guys at Stifler's. They came through and saved us yet again. We're gonna fix this. And these things are epic. Let's check them out. Oh yeah. These are freaking nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. All right, so these are the Stifler's upper A-arms. And what these are gonna do is allow us to get that proper geometry, not just for your camber, but for your ball joint. And one thing that's super cool about these, if you look, see the arrows here? You got lowered and lifted. So you can lift the truck or lower it with these, and you're gonna keep your ball joint in perfect alignment, and the truck overall with perfect alignment. These are very nice. Comes with full instructions, like color instructions with pictures. I mean, this is awesome. But we're about to install these things right now on the Harley Davidson truck and get this front end dialed in, and then truck will be almost done. We do have some other stuff we'll talk about, but let's get these things on. All right, guys, so just a quick update on the Harley Davidson. This is an 02, and it is supercharged, and this truck has been through a very, very thorough semi-restoration. You got full paint, fresh wheels, lights, the whole 9 yards, and we do have fresh interior covers for the seats coming as well. It's got a cowl hood. It's mostly stock under the hood, but it does have a very lowered suspension, which looks absolutely amazing. But like I said previously, the suspension is not going to be right, and you're going to chew tires up unless you do this the right way. And we just put brand new wheels and Nitto tires on here. Actually, these are the Toyos. But you want to do it right. And we're about to show you exactly how that's done. Thank God Stifler's makes these. Let's get these things installed. All right, guys, so you can see right here, that's stock upper A on. That's what we're going to be replacing. As you can see, little to no adjustability. That's why these things are so important if you're lifting or lowering your truck. So we're going to swap this thing out. Just follow along. All right, gents, so got it back on the ground with the Stifler's A-arms. Check this out now. Like, that is literal perfection, and we haven't even had it aligned yet. Absolutely perfect. Get around to the other side here. That looks... Dude, what about that? That's...
It's great stuff, huh?
That is good stuff.
Not just for your Mustang, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got truck stuff, too.
Like, that is literal perfection. Not bad. And install took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, if that, and yeah. All right, guys, we got her back on the ground and outside, and I gotta tell you, that is what you want. We're gonna get this thing to the alignment shop, make sure everything's dialed, but honestly, it doesn't get much better than that right there. Those are the adjustments that the Stifler's instructions said to set it at initially before alignment, and that's just about perfect right there. Absolutely love how this came out. All right, boys, real quick, wanted to get it out for a little test drive, see how it feels. I gotta say, you can already feel before with the so much negative camera, the truck tried to wander a little bit, but it's freaking great now. Hold on, blower whine. Love these supercharged trucks. Yeah, the steering is, that's the biggest difference you can feel, is the steering. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. That's great. Oh, blower whine. Yeah. Telling you guys, the difference between having your suspension done right and not so much is huge. Steering wheel straight as an arrow. It's really responsive, like it would have been from the factory. Friggin' phenomenal. No noise, no clunking. Phenomenal. Highly recommend these things. Guys, that's pretty much going to wrap this one up. Huge shout out again to Stifler's for making this product. Look, we've used Stifler's parts, their cross members, their subframe connectors, all that stuff for years. But until we started getting into this stuff, we didn't realize they make a whole lot more. So you definitely need to stop by the Stifler's website and check it out. And, you know, let's be honest, 26 something years later, these Harley Davidson F150s, the Gen 2 Lightnings, all of these trucks are getting extremely popular. People are wanting to restore them, fix them up, bring them back, which is what we've been doing. So definitely check out Stifler's website. And like I said, if you've got one of these trucks, this is a must-have, whether you're lowered or lifted. This thing handles all those suspension geometry problems, the ball joint issues, all of that. So if you did enjoy this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.